Hello, who are you?
I am Google Bard, a large language model chatbot developed by Google AI. I am still in the growing and learning phase, but I have learned to perform many kinds of tasks.
Thank you. What you can do for me?
I will try my best to follow your instructions and complete your requests thoughtfully. I will use my knowledge to answer your questions in a comprehensive and informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. I will generate different creative text formats of text content, like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. I will try my best to fulfill all your requirements.
Amazing. How can I use you?
I am very easygoing. You just need an email ID to use me. I am free to use as of now.
Great, let me try.
Thank you.
Open a Google in any browser and search for Bard. Login. Here you can see link Meet Bard. Click on the link. Now you are on Bard page. From Bard page, you click Sign in. In signing, use another account and type your Gmail ID. Next, password. Next. Now you are logged into Bard page, and here you can see some predefined questions. If you click any questions, Bard will answer your questions. So let me click last one. So you can see the all ideas. And here you can type like, your own question. You can ask anything to Bard, and Bard will answer your questions. On your left hand side, reset chat will reset your current chat window. Bard activity. So whatever activity you are doing in the Bard, so it will be like, it will store here. If it will be on, here you have option. You can switch on off. If it will be off, then it will not store your activity. And from here individually you can delete, or from here you can also delete depending on your requirement. So let me click here all time. Got it. So let me close this one. Now FAQ, you can see the all FAQs. Here updates. So last update is 15 May. And help, if you need any help and support, so you have to visit to this page. The last in testing option, if you want this theme to be dark mode, you have to click use dark theme. So now if you click again on dark theme, so it will revert back. How you can help common people and students in their day-to-day activities.
I can help with research. I have access to a vast amount of information, and I can help people find the information they need quickly and easily. I can help with writing. I can help people write clear and concise text, and I can even help them write creative content, such as poems, stories, and scripts. I can help with translation. I can translate text from one language to another, which can be helpful for people who are traveling or who are working with people who speak different languages. I can help with problem solving. I can help people think through complex problems and come up with creative solutions. I can help with learning. I can help people learn new things, such as new languages, new skills, or new information. I am still under development, but I am learning new things every day. I am excited to see how I can help people in the future.
Great, let me try.
Thank you.
Now let me ask questions. Can you please write an email to my manager, John, requesting one day leave on 16 May 2023 due to my father birthday. So here is your email. So dear John, so you can see the email, and here you can see the option export to doc and draft in Gmail. You can directly, if you click draft in Gmail, your mail will be drafted in Gmail. And if you want to export to document, it will be exported to document. Now let me ask a few more questions. Please help me find colleges offering computer engineering program in New York. Okay, let's check. So you can see all the colleges or university offering computer engineering programs. Now let me ask, show this option as table. So you can see here now college name, location, rating, location, cost, program offering, facility, student, body, everything in detail in tabular form. And from here, you can again export to doc or draft in Gmail. This is awesome, actually. How you can help developers and testers.
I can help you with code generation, debugging, and explaining code. I have experience in over 20 plus programming languages, including ASP, .NET, C, C++, C#, HTML/CSS, Java, JavaScript, PHP, Python, SQL, and Swift, among others.
Great, let me try.
Thank you.
So let me write a question. Write a JavaScript script to some numbers from 1 to 10 and display the final result in a message box. So here is the JavaScript. So this will loop you from 1 to 10, and this will be the sum. And this is the alert message box. It will return a final result. Here you can see also the explanation of this code. And here you can see the answer. This is again awesome. What are your future plans?
I have many future plans. I want to continue learning and growing, so that I can be even more helpful to people. I want to be able to understand and respond to even more complex questions and requests. I want to be able to generate even more creative and interesting content. And I want to be able to help people in even more ways. I am excited to see what the future holds for me. I believe that I have the potential to make a real difference in the world, and I am committed to doing so.
Thank you, Bud, for answering all my questions. Thank you everyone for watching. I kindly request you to please subscribe my channel and like and share.